Question 14a. We're evaluating this integral of x cubed ln x. Okay, so this is a product. You cannot just integrate bits of a product separately. You have to use the proper rule. So we're going to use the by parts rule. So my rule is, in the formula book, the integral of u dv by dx, or v dash, is u times v minus the integral of v times du by dx, or u dash. So check that you've got that rule right. Now you need to decide which bit is which is the u, which is the v dash. And you often choose the x term as your u, but in a case where you have an ln, that has to be the u, because you know how to differentiate the log, but actually we don't have a nice rule for integrating a log. So we can differentiate log x, ln x, to give us 1 over x. That means our v dash has to be x cubed, which means when we integrate it, we've got to go up a power and divide by the new power. So we get x to the 4 over 4. So our question turns into the u times the v, so the u that we had and the v that we've just worked out. Don't muddle up this algebra term inside the log, so I'll write the log separately afterwards, or you can just put a bracket around it to times it, minus the integral of our v times our u dash. So we've got x to the 4 over 4 multiplied by 1 over x. Now this is a product, but you can simplify it. Okay, so you can cancel your x from the bottom with one of these from the top. So now we've got x to the 4 over 4 ln x minus the integral of x cubed over 4, which is x to the 4 over 4 ln x minus x to the 4 over 16. So we go up another power, go back up to power 4 again. We divide by another factor of 4, but we've already got one factor of 4 on the bottom, so that now is over 16. Because we've got limits, we are going to put the limits in now, so it goes into the whole answer. So let's see, we've got 2 to the 4 over 4 ln 2 minus 2 to the 4 over 16. Pop that in one bracket. Minus 1 to the 4 is just 1 over 4 times ln 1 minus 1 to the 4 is just 1 over 16. Now ln 1 is just 0, so we can just discount that term straight away. So okay, 2 to the 4, 2, 4, 8, 16. I'll do minus minus, turning that into a plus. 16 ln 4 is 4. Sorry, 16 over 4 is 4. So 4 ln 2. And then minus 16 sixteenths plus 1 16th is minus 15 sixteenths. Now the calculator will give you the decimal. The question didn't actually say we had to do it in exact form. And actually it says the word evaluate, which normally means just give us the value. So it presumably means it's happy with you saying what this is as a decimal. So 4 ln 2, take away 15 sixteenths would be 1.8351. Don't know how many decimal places to go to either. Let's just double check that we've done that correctly. So x cubed times ln x integrated between 1 and 2 as our limits. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so any numerical integral you can definitely check. If it says exact values, then it's just looking for a tidied up answer, but not the decimal equivalent. But obviously you go with what it asks you to do.